Leptin 11 hormone type. Your custom solution. Watch your video instructions and blueprint below. How a 55-year-old mother of 3 discovered the over 30 hormone weight loss solution that over 97% of people still have no idea exists. This process has been a dream come true. Once I started taking over 30 hormone solution, my tiredness disappeared. I even lost 29 pounds. For the first time in my life, I have been able to lose my stubborn belly fat. It was just so hard before. I tried everything, eating well, workout, but nothing worked until I took the over 30 hormone solution. It feels so good to have my hormone balance, so I wake up every morning full of energy. I tried everything and decided to give over 30 hormone solution a try, and I quickly lost 35 pounds in 10 weeks. We're going on weekly trips together as a family, and my husband proudly holds my hand in public. Over 30 hormone solution has been safely taken by 15,452 women over 30. I am an affiliate of the over 30 hormone solution products. Links in this video and/or article lead back to affiliate sales page. I may or may not be compensated for the sale of over 30 hormone solution.